I catch you. I not afraid of you, Mr. Man. I not afraid of your devout ignorance. Think it make you special? Make you a big man in your people eye? You is a duppy now, hiding in nothing but flesh and bones. You never should assume the bad man swagger save you. Your mother's milk bitter in your mouth of deception and lies. Mr. Man, she never heard you. She never see you. So you never know you must learn to reach inward, to move forward, to know, to grow. Your heart never beat with a rhythm of kindness, as no lullaby sung in your ear, to swallow you with a sweet and gentle refrain. Your shadow moves to wear a mask, for prey on and mock other soul, broke from within them chest. What am I me now, Mr. Man? My roots replanted and watered with hope and blooming in life lessons granted. My rebirth is now center stage to your demise. You believe you would conquer, heralding a Union Jack, but the truth is, I am here. I am one of the good ones, and I rise. Oh yes, Mr. W.E.